I'm going to teach today how to change the configuration in Windows 2000 server. We're going to go Start, Settings, Control Panel, and then here it says Display. You're going to double click on it. You can choose whichever one you would like here in the background. This is the picture that's going to be on the back of the screen. I like Coffee Bean personally, so I'm going to click Coffee Bean. And something that's important but some people forget is over here, Picture Display. In this box you can see that there's a lot of green all around, and then there is the picture. That's called Center. Now in tiling, it's got a bunch of little pictures. Or you can stretch and you can make it fit the whole screen. I like to hit apply every time, simply because you never know when you're going to accidentally hit cancel and then you don't remember what you've done. You click Screensaver and you come in here. This is a pull down menu. My favorite has always been Starfield Simulation, and this is one of the last few that actually had this as one of the choices. 15 minutes is an awful long time to have it. 3 minutes is usually like the max that I like to keep it at. If you're in a work setting, 1 to 2 minutes is fine. It should be password protected, meaning that if it goes to screensaver and then it comes back, you should have to log on. If you look at the power settings here, this lets you change things to make it so that the power, that you don't use as much power. As it says here, though, it will change your scheme. And sometimes it can be a rather pain in the tuchus to deal with. Excuse me. You're going to select the behaviors you want, what type of options. When I press the power button on my computer, you want it to power off, or do you want it to do something else? A UPS is an uninterruptible power supply. If there was one attached to this computer, here is where you could find information about it. I'm going to click Cancel Out of Power, though, because I don't want it. I'm going to click Apply. There we go. Hit the right button. One thing, though, there's an awful lot of really big stars. It looks like I'm in a meteor shower. So I'm going to come in here to Setting. And the number of stars can be 25, let's say. And we don't want them super fast. We want them, we're not at warp speed. So we'll come down to about the center and we'll click OK. There we go. A little better. Click Apply. I'm going to click Appearance, and here's where it talks about the scheme. Your scheme is sort of everything. It's like your background, your screensaver, what color the dialog boxes come up as, and I personally, there's never enough people on my computer to worry about having different schemes for everybody. Web is something new. I'd only seen it here in the server. show web content on my active desktop. If you are in a business setting, that might be a good idea. Effects. It's had other names in other ones in other operating systems, and quite a few of these changed up. Ones that are good to use is this use large icons for people who have problems seeing. The other ones that are clicked here are the presets, and I just left them there. Settings. It's the other big one people like to come in and look at. 2000 server is still only 16 colors, and in this monitor it's a 640 by 480 pixel or the 800 by 600 pixels on my monitor setting. So this is what I can have. This is one of those situations you can't remember what you did, so you hit apply and hope you did nothing wrong, and then click OK. And that is how you change your monitor. You got to click out of control panel, and there is our coffee cup.